Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This a Talitani I mega give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, make me give the headline them. Some change make to our school open up today after our meeting keep with the Ministry for Education and the principal them. Gunman killed 3 somebody downtown yesterday. 3 man dead after one 3-way crash going pan the Landover Main Road pan Saturday, January 1. The Food and Drug Administration FDA say Pitney who are 12 years old can get the Pfizer booster shot. Now for the full tour of them. Some change make to our school open up today after our meeting keep with the Ministry for Education and the principal them. As according to the Jamaica Association of Principals for Secondary School, every principal are going to decide when school open and them are going to use this week for do it. On top of that, Linvert Wright, who are the president for the Jamaica Association for Principals and Secondary Schools, said the school them are going to open some day for face-to-face class and some day for online class. Gunman killed 3 somebody downtown yesterday. The first somebody were dead at 70 years old Hector Adams, who come from Water Street. As according to the police report, around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Mr. Adams did turn up and gate when a group of men walk up and shot him up. Around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, gunman killed Kemarley Speeds by East Queen Street. After that, gunman killed 30 years old Devon Morrison by Upper Regent Street. 3 men dead after one 3-way crash going pan the Landover Main Road on Saturday, January 1. The man them were dead at 23-year-old Jamar Taylor who come from Mullines Road, Kingston 10. Brenton Brown, who was one driver, will come from Golden Grove, St. Anne. And Carson Whitaker will come from Hempstead Runaway Bay, St. Anne. As according to the report from the Runaway Bay Police, around 12:05 in the morning, Whitaker did a drive one Toyota Axio car when him try overtake one line of traffic. Him crash in a one 2004 Nissan Bluebird, then in a one Toyota Coaster bus where Brown did a drive. The Bahamas police lock up 2 men from Jamaica after them find them with some ganja on Christmas Eve. Them a go up on trial February 22. The man them are 43-year-old Nyuuz James and 50 years old Devon Richards. Them go before the magistrate court last week after them get with 611 pound of ganja. The man them get charged for have ganja, for plan for sell ganja, and for plan for send it outside of the country. James and Richard said them not guilty and none of the charge them. News from foreign. The Food and Drug Administration FDA said Pitney who are 12 years old can get the Pfizer booster shot. People 16 years and older can get them booster shot already, and Pitney 13 to 15 years old once the time passed since them get them last joke. On top of that, the FDA said everybody who are 12 years and older can get them booster shot as early as 5 months from the time them get them last shot. People, remember the curfew are from 10 o'clock in the night to 5 o'clock in the morning. Me name Talitani and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.